My name Ravindra Chaudhary. I am represent the topic of solar energy pitch deck. Hmm. Problem statement is throughput the world electricity bill are increasing faster than inflation, putting financial strain on business and consumers. Installing solar energy which will reduce electricity bills is often too expensive. Lack of access to capital leaves otherwise commercially viable solar projects in unfunded. Purpose of solution. In today's world, there is a continuous global need for more energy, which at the same time has to be cleaner than the energy produced from the traditional generation technologies. This need has facilitated the increase in penetration of distributed generation. Technologies are primarily of renewable energy. With the support of government and industry, energy storage technologies can continue to develop and expand aid in the increasing deployment of variable renewable energy resources and help store and even growing amount of clean renewable energy in future. Value proposition. The solar investment tax credit allowed to investor in solar energy system to claim up to 30% of their solar installation cost as a credit on their taxes. If we look at both commercial and residential rooftop solar solution, there is enough suitable sunny rooftops in the India to provide nearly 20% of the power in every state. Suppose in one state approximately 282 million square feet of public building rooftops. If we were to place solar array on the rooftops of just our K-12 public school buildings, we could create enough to power to satisfy the need of 125,000 homes. The 30% reduction in utilized would save those school district $110 million per year, enough to hire an additional 2,200 teachers. Target market and opportunity. Target market outdoor products and services corporate sector, retail outlet, fast food chain, educational institutes, street lights and street signal, real estate developed builders, residential society. With about 300 clear sunny days in a year, India's theoretical solar power reception on only its land area is about 5 hours. Our aim is to provide the energy based on solar energy by offering products that would be cost effective in the long run. Provide our target market with a complete solar panel system comprising of a battery and a charger or inverter. Business model canvas. Key partner. First, municipality. Second, hardware supplier. Third, investor and customers. Fourth, financial service provider. Key activities. First, marketing. Second, set up solar farm. Third, operator solar farm. Value proposition. First, reduce CO2. Second, generate your own green electricity. Third, energy. Customer relationship. Communities personal. Then customer segment. Customer who are interested in a sustainable lifestyle and without the possibility of installing solar panels on their own roof. Key resources, financial knowledge, hardware, and energy transport capability. Channels. Channel website scale force and community. Cost structure, investment solar farm, and operation and maintenance cost. Next, revenue stream, sale of solar panel and average annual benefit from solar farm operation and sell with community. And last, fund requirement. Fund required for solar farm, fund for solar panel, and fund for maintenance and technicality. Mm, Competitors analysis. Nissan, Vivint, Solar, SunEdge, and many more competitors. We include two high voltage battery system along with three low voltage battery system. The high voltage model also provide a variety on investor that allows consumer to convert solar DC into usable AC. Thank you.